So, hello all, in this video I am going to show you how you can integrate payment apps like Google Pay, PhonePe and Paytm and other payment apps into our React Native project and use it in the pages, checkout pages, and accept UPI payment from our clients or customers. So I am going to use this NPM package called react-native-android-upi, which I have recently created, which follows the recent guidelines of NCPI. So you can use it, and the payment apps like Google Pay and PhonePe can connect with it, and you can accept the payments from uh, any app into your code or project. So let's start by creating a expo project, and this is the command which I am using. I am creating an expo project with creating a React Native project without a framework like expo. And so let's start by creating a project. I'm just renaming it, and let's wait till it's created. So once it's installed, now let's open VS Code here. Let's first go to our project directory. Desktop, let's go to the project and open VS Code here, and then let's open terminal here and install the package which I showed you. So this package, let us install this package here. Okay, I'm installing the package. Let's wait. So after this is installed, I'm also installing another package called React Native SVG, because I am using an SVG in this project. If you are not, you can skip this step. And now let's follow the step-by-step process here. So I have given the step-by-step process in the readme of the package, but if you don't understand, you can just follow this tutorial and set up your project and accept the payment. So first of all, after you have installed the package, the next thing you have to do is go to the node modules and search for the install package, which is React Native Android UPI, and copy the copy the file or folder. So you have to copy this folder here, the RNUPI, and file explorer, just copy this and paste it in the current project's Android folder. So go to the current project Android, app, source, main, Java, and here at the level of com, just paste the one which you have copied. So this is the one, this is my code which allows you to use the payment apps. So here just do import com.rnupi payment package, and then sorry, not here, in the main application.kt you have to import this file and add the package over here, and then go back to this package and copy these lines and paste it in the Android manifest. Over here, just paste these lines, and then you have to build the project again, because we have made some changes in the Android folder. Let's clean up. just wait till this clean up and build a success. So once the build is success, go back to the project and then let's start writing the code. And if you see the uh, methods, you are having some of the methods which are app specific, and then I have a method which allows you to accept payment from any UPI payment app, like whether it is Google Pay, PhonePe, Paytm, Beam, or whatever like Amazon Pay or whatever it is. You can accept those pay things from this generic UPI payment method called UPI payment.init UPI payment. Like if suppose if you wanted to accept from a particular payment method, then you can use the specific ones which I have mentioned here, like this is the one for Google Pay, this is the one for PhonePe, Paytm. And if you go little down over here, I've given a basic sample code which allows you to accept payments from Google Pay. So first of all, we have to import UPI payment from here and call the methods which I have mentioned above. So I am using the initialize Google Pay payment method, init Google Pay payment, and pass this data. So this is the VPA. So as per as the latest guidelines are considered, you have to use a valid VPA. I'll show you which VPA I used, but that you have to use your own VPI. And this is the one where to which you would be accepting the payments and the amount. So you can send a dynamic data. For now I have just typed it static, so just copy this and let's go back to our project and app.tsx here, just paste it. So to this I'll add a bit of styling. So if you could see the code right now, so first I'm importing UPI payment from my package react-native-android-upi, and then I'm creating a simple touchable opacity button, and I'm passing a SVG icon over here which is GPay icon, and on click I'm calling a make payment function. So this make payment function will call our init Google Pay method which is coming from the package, and we'll be sending this data. So I am using the Geo payment just to show. I'm not gonna make the payment, but I have tested it with different VPAs. So after this is done, you'll be getting a success message, or if it's a failure, you will be getting a failure message. So let's start the project. So this will start our project. For the first time it may take a little time, but from the second build, if you don't do clean, then it will definitely build up fast, but for the first time it will take some time. Woohoo, so the app is up and running. I need your apologize because I've used the wrong package name over here in the initial part of the video. Just copy the package name from here. I just I just tapped the auto suggestion of the copilot and it went wrong, but the package name is Android UPI package. And now if you try opening our app, it's building. So if you see, I've just created a Google Pay button over here, and when you click on this, this should take you back to the Google Pay. This will take you to the Google Pay with the payment as I've given it as 1. So it will show 1, but due to the restrictions, Google Pay won't have. So if you click on the Google Pay, it will take you to Google Pay. So now I'll click on Google Pay, and so it will take you to Google Pay. but if you have to see it, I would say just see. So it is the payment button over here, and this is the Google Pay here, and because of the restrictions it's not allowing. And if you see now, I've entered the UPI NPCC UPI page where you enter the pin and click on the tick button. So this is how you do it. So that's how it's done. So it's taking you, but it won't be recorded here because of the restrictions. And you can follow this tutorial. So this is the code, and I've pasted the sample code in the repo. So this is how simple it is. Just import UPI payments from here and make a payment, initial JPay payment here, and pass this data over here. Then you will be able to receive payments, navigate user to that particular specified payment app and receive the payments from that. Thank you. Hope you have learned how to use this, and if so, please do like and reshare with people who wants to implement this. Thank you.